In the 1940s, Soviet scientists embarked on an eerie experiment to revive clinically dead dogs to explore resuscitation techniques. Using mechanical pumps to rejuvenate circulation, they managed to restore basic life functions, such as breathing and heartbeat, even displaying reflex actions. The chilling sight of these zombie dogs prompted ethical debates over the boundaries of life and death experimentation. Despite the lack of full recovery to a cognitive state, the research offered both uncanny insight and moral dilemmas. Does pushing the limits of life create new hope or merely blur ethical lines in science?